Banakuba, how are you?
Me? Very well, Mama. Very well. You want meat?
Yes, Banakuba, I want meat. How's your meat? Is it good?
Very good, Mama. Good and fresh. Can't you see me in the picture? They're slaughtering a bull.
From what part will you give me?
Any part you want, Mama. Whatever you ask for. I'm here to serve you.
I want of that. I hope it's fresh.
Completely fresh, Mama. Number one. How much do you want?
A shilling's worth only, unless you want to give me more on credit.
No. Not today.
I want of that only.
Yes, but you want good and fresh meat, isn't it? This is very good. See? Excellent. Number one, I tell you.
I don't want it.
Okay, your wish. Was it this you wanted?
That's it? Now you know it. What's that you're doing there? I did ask for stone. I don't want them. Remove them at once.
Mama, they aren't stones. They are very good bones with plenty of meat on them. See? Excellent. Grade 1.
And what am I to do with bones? I'm not a dog.
Here it is, Mama. Your meat.
And here's your money, unless you don't want it.
Eh? Why not? Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. God help you.
Hey, Banakuba, goodbye. Get me a half a pound of meat, please. Nice, like you.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, brother.
What's the quarrel with the butcher?
Nothing.
Weren't you complaining with ill treatment? I heard you shouting.
No. I was just joking with him. That butcher is very nice man, you know.
I see. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Give me very good meat and no bones, please.
No. No bones. Just a little one for your father.
No, my father has no teeth.
Oh, I see. Dongo, Mr. Dongo, come here, please. I'm delighted to see you. How are you?
Thank you. And you?
Not well at all. Because, you still haven't endorsed my trading license. Please do it just now. Only a week is left before the closing date.
Your trading license? Hasn't anyone taught you how to get it? See, the whole floor is littered with scraps and bones. When did you last sweep it? And why is your apron so dirty? Where is your file? Why is it broken? And why have you not combed your hair? Who made you big, butcher? Look, you must get things in order before pestering me to endorse your license. Do you understand?
I'm sorry. I didn't know about these things. If you return next week, I promise everything will be in order. But please, I must have my license endorsed by next Monday.
That's your business. I'm warning you. If everything is not ready by next week, I won't get your license. Is that clear?
Yes. Everything will be in order next week. I promise.
Your business.
Come on, where's my meat?
Oh, dear, yes. I'm sorry. I won't be in a minute. Here it is. What's to be done? And that girl, she didn't pay me. Which way did she go? Too late. She made it off. Kanubay. Oh, Kanubay. Just come over here, quick, please.
Come near your stinking meat. No. Never.
This old man. Kanubay, please help me. You know that health inspector? He's refusing me to endure my trading license. I whitewashed my shop and bought a new apron. But still, he comes and asks me why my shop is dirty. And why my hair is not stylishly done. And what now? What am I to do?
That man, I know him. He's a dog. He's hungry.
Hungry?
Yes, hungry. He wants some bones.
Bones?
Yes, bones. You still don't understand. He wants some bones. Bones!
Oh, bones. Bones! Yes! I see he wants some bones.
1 week later.
Oh, Dongo. Good morning. How are you?
Not so well.
Not well. I'm very sorry. Anyway, I hope you've come to endorse my license.
Endorse your license? Just like that? With such a dirty shop?
Oh, by the way, Mr. Dongo, I almost forgot. I have something for you. I thought you might like a few bones to take home.
Bones? Bones? What should I want with bones? Oh, bones? Bones? That's very thoughtful of you. They will come in very handy. Mr. Awad, your shop looks really clean today. See? No cobwebs, a clean scale, a new broom, a dustbin outside. It's the way we want it. Don't you worry about your hair. Come on, give me those forms. Just let me your pen. Please, something's gone wrong with mine.
Certainly, certainly. I'm at your service.
Eh? You have bought a new pen? Well, that's done. Now, you'll be all right, okay? Mr. Awad Koheri.
Thank you, Koheri. Koheri.
Koheri?
Koheri.
Ah, my hat, there it is. Koheri, Koheri.
Koheri. Hello, Mama. Good morning. Aren't you coming to buy meat today?
Just look at your shop and yourself, dirty and stinky. I'm not going to buy meat from you anymore. I'm going to the next butcher to a clean shop.
But Mama, I have license. Listen. Certified clean and fit to sell meat for human consumption. Mama!